Hello, Jedi Master. Red Book. Here's your Tuesday help for your columns, your math spiral. I also want to make sure I put in a plug to join me at 11:30 to 12:30 for some math help as well. And it's been kind of fun to see the students that are popping in, and you're always welcome to come too. And we'll go over our Go Math lesson of the day. And I'll pretty much go through each question that I see and try and help as much as I can. And just through your discussion questions and stuff, we're all learning. It's really good. And then after Go Math, I will go through the math spirals. First the Jedi Knight and then the Jedi Master. So please join me at 11:30 for some math discussions too, okay? So today I'll do a couple reminders, and I don't know if I have to solve too much, but maybe I'll just draw out a couple reminders. Let's see. For the first problem, I think you'll be okay. That's KCF, the 3/15 divided by 4/9. So just flip that 9 and the 4, multiply across, okay? What percentage of 64 is 16? It's always, we've talked about these several times, haven't we, in class? So for this one, for what percent of 64 is 16? Think of that you got 16 out of 64 on an assignment. What percentage would that be? Okay, 16 out of 64. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide them. Okay, put 64 as the divisor and 16 as the dividend, which then makes you have to use a decimal, which is this is where you'll get your percentage from. Okay, so how many 64s are in 160 is what you think. 3 would be too high, wouldn't it? So I think it has to be 2. All right, and 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 6 is 12, and then subtract those. Okay, get 32. 32 is smaller than 64, so that's good. And then just bring down that next 0. And then I didn't give myself much room over there, did I? How many 64s in 320? Well, let's see. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 5 is 300. Let's do that. 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. That one came out perfect. So our answer came out to be as the decimal of 25 hundredths. But you remember percentages, right? To find the percentage, you just use those 2 digits after the decimal, and that'll be your percentage. So the percentage is 25%. Okay, 25% for that one. And then the other ones I just talk you through, find the area of the triangle. Remember, to find the area, you want to do like the base times the height, and that triangle is just on its side. So the height is given to you, which is nice. It was just given to you in that dotted line. Okay, so that perfect height is there. That's the height, the dotted line, which is 11 feet. And then the base is given to you as well, which is 14 feet. But remember with triangles, you do take the base times the height, but just don't forget to divide it by 2. So base times height divided by 2. Don't forget about that part at the end. Since it's area, make sure you put your answer in square feet when you get that answer, okay? Base times height divided by 2. Surface area of a cube. Well, just remember, surface area also is going to be in square units, and just find the area of each side. And since it's a cube, you know that there's how many sides in a cube? 6, right? So find the area of one of the sides and then multiply by 6. You're done. Mean, median, mode, and range. Both of these 2 problems here. I gave you some more assistance inside the Canvas quiz. I think you should be good on those. We've been practicing those a lot. We've been thinking about for the mean ones, for any of them. So for 43, every time you see an X, part of your data is 43, 43, 43. So you should have 3 43s in your data. And then for the 44, you should have 5 44s in your data. Okay, so once again, join me at 11:30 for some math help. I hope to see you there. Love to see your help and your thinking, and talk to you soon.